So I purposely took off all my makeup for this one, so.
Clock that T.
Clock it. I got Pierre in this bitch. Yeah. I got these hoes in this bitch. Yeah. Carrots, they all in my ear. Yeah. Yeah. I got Pierre in this bitch. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make self-love, self-improvement, self-growth videos. So if you like that or need that, please subscribe so you guys can follow along or start this journey with us. Today, I have a lesson for you guys, / some tips. And this is gonna be how to be pretty. That glow up that everyone's talking about, how to become prettier, how to look good. I'm gonna tell you how. The answer is super blunt, super simple. I'm just gonna tell you guys straight up. It comes from the inside. Pretty is the energy that you radiate that everyone else sees. So I purposely took off all my makeup for this one, so.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Because pretty is not external. I promise you, once you see the beauty from the inside of people, you will see it on the outside as well. You can't look at people as of what they are, how they look. No, it is the energy that they radiate. It is the energy that you give out. If you give out ugly energy, you are not cute. No one wants to talk to you, and there's a reason why. Having this pretty energy makes you gorgeous, I promise you. It might sound like, how can I be pretty from the inside and it magically will come on the outside? It does. It really is that simple, I promise you. This has been one of my greatest lessons that I learned. I had the misconception that if I was a baddie on the outside, everything was cool. I was beautiful. But no, it is not that. Because once I, graduated from high school, had my little glow up, I was really pretty. I was not the prettiest person on the inside. And I'm not scared to admit that with you guys because I'm being real. The reason I wasn't pretty on the inside was because of the way that I treated people, the way that I wasn't kind to the world. Those things made me ugly. I wasn't nice to people. I like to gossip. I like to talk about people. Those type of things bring you down. You could be a 10 and now you're a 2. Being nice to the world and nice to people genuinely with genuine intention makes you pretty. For example, have you ever been somewhere and you smile at a pretty girl and they just they give you that look? And then you're like, okay, never mind. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you want to be pretty, don't be one of those girls that people smile at and you're like, I'm only speaking from experience because I used to be one of those people. I used to have one of those stink faces, but now everyone I see, I smile at. I try to make conversations with random people. I just try to be nice and it makes you feel good. On top of being pretty, having this beautiful energy, it makes you feel good inside. It makes you feel good to treat people the way that you want to be treated. And on top of all that, once you start doing that and treating people the way that you want to be treated, it's all gonna come back to you. You're gonna see all the beautiful things about being beautiful on the inside first. So our first lesson in a nutshell, being pretty on the inside is going to come back to you and make you glow up. Simply, it might sound silly, but that's how it works. What makes you pretty is your confidence. You cannot sit and cry and wish you were pretty and really wish you were that girl, but also think you're ugly. Everything comes from your perspective and what you believe. So if you believe you're ugly, you need to sit in the mirror every single day and tell yourself, look at yourself, tell yourself, I am beautiful, I am her, I am pretty, I have the best energy that I radiate towards everyone. I promise you within, let's say, give it 2 weeks of doing this every single day, consistently, every single time you look in the mirror, you will start to see the beauty within yourself. Your brain is gonna start to believe it because what you say out loud, what you think is what becomes real to you. So if you want to be pretty, you have to realize it doesn't come from other people's opinions. It comes from yourself. It comes from what you believe, not what anyone else believes, what society believes. Because guess what? Here's a little secret. Society is fake. Society is superficial. This is everything we see on our phones. We don't know these people, okay? So everything is superficial. This is the biggest reason you cannot compare yourself to society. You have to believe what you want to believe. So put everyone else's opinion aside and start only looking at your opinion. That's what's gonna make you beautiful. Because if I believe I'm beautiful, no one can tell me any different.
And that's on period.
Let's only stick to our opinion and what we believe. Once you have this energy, you will start to attract more people within that same energy. So you're not going to attract superficial people that are just looking at the way that you look. You have to have this beautiful energy from the inside to attract people that also believe that beauty comes from the inside. And this confidence that we're talking about, this confidence of knowing that you're beautiful on the inside and out, it radiates. I promise you, everyone can see that energy. When you are confident with it, it's over. It takes consistency and really believing in yourself, believing to your word. If you truly don't like the way that you look, you are truly searching for maybe makeup tips to make you look better. It is not that. It is how you think and what you believe, and also what you're comparing yourself to. So throw society away and start comparing yourself to yourself. Do something nice for someone every single day. Go have a conversation with a random stranger. Go tell a stranger a compliment. Those are beautiful things you can do to start building that pretty energy. Just being a genuine girly, that is all. That's what makes you cute. My lovelies, that is all I have for you guys today. And just know that I believe every single one of you are beautiful. And even the people that don't watch my channel, I think all of you guys are beautiful. And if you don't believe that, then please try and find it. Try to take some of these tips and you will find it. But I will see you guys so soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Comment something random. I don't care. I just love reading your guys' comments. Okay, love you guys. Bye.